We got nachos and tacos, and Mia Beth is really excited about it. Oh, I got stuff on my face. On my tooth?
Let me see.
Better. Okay. That's a good person to let someone know.
Telling a girl she has food in her teeth.
Oh,
Girlhood. Yeah.
Okay, well, it's getting really windy all of a sudden, but it's gonna drop like 30 degrees tomorrow.
I think that blew the nacho cheese off my toe.
Crazy! This is what a 30-degree temperature drop overnight looks like. Okay, we just made it back to our hotel. So today we've made reservations at that restaurant we talked about yesterday, and we're just now heading out for the day, and it is so much cooler today. So we just got to downtown San Sebastian to that restaurant. We're gonna be about 10 minutes late. We had a really hard time parking. All the parking garages are shut down because of overcapacity. Okay, we made it. We got here. They didn't turn us away.
They're actually calling us when we walked up.
Yes, they're actually calling us, so that was nice. So this wood thing is actually for our bread. And this is like the best olive oil I've ever had. What do you think, James?
The best.
So that is a truffle. It's a type of mushroom that's very prized. Very good. So this is white beans and mushrooms, a roasted potato, and chicken bruschetta. James is gonna get coffee. I'll take one too, yes. And the girls are getting some food over here. And they just got new dresses. What'd you get? Nachos again? So me and Beth's over here getting some more food. It's called the Cafeteria School Bus. Okay, we've just finished our lunch and our shopping. And now we're heading back to our car. So we came upon this hostel here in San Sebastian, Basque Country, and it's for backpackers. And the hostel's so full that people are actually camping here on the premises. But they said we're welcome to come up for some tea or use the restrooms. Bye, nice meeting you all. They were so sweet in there. So they are it's a little hostel here, and they're just so packed. People are literally camping. Every bed's taken. It is a very special time in this area. Oh, okay. It's like a roller coaster. We made it back to the city alive. Yay! What? So I just finished a video editing appointment, and I am the last one to our dinner reservation. So I'm running to our dinner, and our reservation, no joke, was for 9:45 p.m. Because every place in the world does things differently than it seems like we do. Okay, I think I'm at the right place. It almost looked like where we had breakfast. Our breakfast is different than the cafe. I got the pumpkin
It is panko crusted, so I think it is.
What do you think about
James got the cordero. What do I think of it?
Does it look like what you thought it was gonna
It looks better than I thought it would be, but I like butternut squash, so I thought this was worth trying. And the Madison got the chicken sandwich, right? Mm-hmm. And then Mia Beth got the burger. So we're gonna dig in. Okay, it's 11 o'clock and we're done with dinner. So definitely a late evening, heading up to bed now. So we've been looking for the best views here in San Sebastian. And we're just doing some back roads to try and find it. And we have found some amazing views. Like endless waters. It's absolutely gorgeous here. Goodness. I think we've about reached the view of all views. There it is. Wow. It's beautiful. Look at this view. It's so pretty. We're gonna go find a place called Mamma Mia. So we went to Mamma Mia and it was all booked. So we came to this place that Mia Beth found called La Mina. So we came here a couple days ago to buy a tile and we had no cash. So we are back today to see if he still has the one that we wanted. Here's the one that we have. Gracias, thank you. Time to go back to our hotel. So we're just now leaving the hotel today. It's about 2 o'clock or close to. We're gonna go spend a little time out, not much today. And it's almost 2 o'clock. So having a late lunch, but that's the way it goes every day around here. So we just finished our buffet lunch. Starbucks. Got our Starbucks.